Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change headlight on Mitsubishi Outlander easy method. Start by parking safely, turning off the car, and opening the hood to access the headlight assembly. Remove any plastic shields or clips keeping you from the bulb, then disconnect the electrical connector so you can remove the bulb socket and replace the bulb carefully without touching the glass. Wear gloves or use a clean cloth and unbox the replacement bulb, keeping it free from oils. Line up the tabs on the bulb with the socket, push it in firmly, and twist to secure. Reconnect the electrical connector, turn on the headlights to verify correct operation, and reinstall plastic shields and clips to restore the assembly. If the beam looks misaligned, adjust as needed following the owner manual guidance. Take a moment to confirm the exact bulb type for your Outlander and have a spare headlight and a pair of gloves ready. If the new bulb fails, check the fuse box and connector for corrosion or loose pins and swap bulbs between sides to isolate the issue. Always replace worn bulbs in matched pairs to preserve balanced illumination and schedule a quick beam alignment if lighting looks uneven on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.